What's chicken black? Oh, chicken blood.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay.
Alright, so it's the last full day here in Manila now. It's Sunday. My flight's tomorrow and Monday, which I do get a good chunk of the day here still. My flight's at like 10 p.m. or so, but it's also an international flight. And I'm out all my luggage and stuff too, so today's the last full day really. But it's pretty early. It's almost 12 noon, but for me that's early because I didn't go to bed till about when the sun came up. But here, let's give you guys another view. Yeah, I'm gonna go down and hit the gym real quick. Not gonna be there too long, mainly because I've won a few times. Every time I've gone, I haven't really recorded because there's other people in there, and I don't want to record while other people are working out. I don't know how they feel about that. I wouldn't really want to be that guy either. But yeah, last full day in here. Both these showers have this, which I like though. This little nozzle. Oh, nope. Oh, nope. Yeah, I mean, and if you even want to go crazy, you can even use a little pooper nozzle too. But yeah, definitely nice to take a shower when you got all these different water features. But yeah, let's go hit the gym. Never been there, but it's the Vegas Venetian. That's about all I can compare it to. But this looks really nice.
It was a real sunny day. We were chilling in the land of the camper down park. Nobody had a frown. Reminiscing on the days where we used to have a blaze. Everybody came around and we lashed out on the lays. And I remember when we drink and we smoke and we'd spar and we'd laugh, and the night would just go on and on. For the rest of my life, that memory will stay, man. Fuck, that was a good time. I don't feel.
Yeah, I'm ready. I like this one. I'm gonna get this one. How's your day going so far today? How's your day going today? Good. I like your bracelet. What's your name? Really? Okay, I'm Jared.
I don't feel.
Are you from here?
I don't feel.
You're very pretty, by the way. Are you single? Oh no, my heart.
I don't feel.
It's nice to meet you. You have a good rest of your day.
Chewing on your toes. Feels like such a waste. So many.
Yeah, our Father also prayer, but writing.
Oh, that's a prayer.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But writing in our first Filipino writing for my Bible.
Okay. You can still read it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Because we have a lecture, sir, on our previous.
Oh, okay. So that was the first Filipino writing.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Indian story.
Okay.
But now we use in Tagalog words like
Okay.
this, sir. Kapayapaan. But in the first Filipino writing,
Oh,
We have
okay.
also a writing.
Okay, that's cool.
But now it's Tagalog.
I'm gonna keep looking what you check. Not that common for someone as fat as me to come in for those shirts. A 2XL?
Yes, very good.
Oh man,
Yes, sir.
I don't know if I'm that big for a 2XL.
Yes, this is Asian size, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, that one's too big. No XL?
This size, sir, we don't have it.
Ah.
Another design, sir. Think balaw, sir. Medium.
And the half man, half horse?
How about this one, sir? The banana
I, do you have a large though? Large in the lady in white?
Only medium, sir?
Oh man, oh yeah, I
How
can't.
about the no?
I like the lady in white one. The white I like that one.
This one have sizes. So
Ah.
XL there and medium.
All right.
Just try to do it, sir. Maybe it's
Yeah.
that's a nation size piece.
I
That's why unisex.
yeah I can tell by looking at it, but once I throw on the double XL, then that's gonna be the standard. Then I gotta eat more to fit into it, and it'll be even bigger. Then next time I'm 3XL. I'll keep looking, and then I'll try the double XL on.
Just size are they can take it way up extra.
Okay.
Places to be, people to meet, and tropical heat.
It just finished raining out here, so it's really humid now. But yeah, the canals were very nice. I think that's me about done here now, so we're gonna go ahead and move on somewhere else. Alright, so I'm back at the spot right now. Before I go out and all that, I'm chilling. This is a painful process, but I've been uploading footage from cameras to the computer and whatnot and all that, because these don't have that much storage on them, so I gotta do that pretty often with how much stuff I've been recording. But anyways, I forgot I had food left over when I was in not Venice, but at like the Grand Canals over there. I decided to eat some like Italian food, but while I was there, but I didn't finish this because I mean this huge kind of like stromboli looking thing. I forgot about it, and it was wrapped up the whole time. It was in this foil, and I didn't realize how fucking huge this thing is. It doesn't even really fit inside the microwave, so I think I'm gonna have to cook it on the hot stove. But yeah, that's where I'm at. And then once I get this done at 8, I'm going back out. Last night, tonight. We got tomorrow too, which is mainly the full day, but not really. Hey, how you doing? Jared? Yeah, let's go ahead.
Well, see now this is the time when everything was perfect. We can jump around to the sound of the music. When you
we got?
feel it,
What-
the
what-
bass
what are my
coming through
options
the
to choose
tremolo. Passages that seem to go real slow. And this is what I want, and this is
Barbecue
what
pork?
you get. Come and share a toast for all our times we recollect. From the start into these bands,
chicken
we
head.
all wonder where we head. Being clever, never sweat your weapon,
That's
never
barbecue
has no
pork.
end.
Yeah, let me do, how much are they? 40? Yeah, let me do barbecue pork. Let me one. Just one.
Feels like such a way.
Yeah, just one.
So many
Yeah. I was walking by to pick up something to drink at the
chicken black. I mean, chicken black. I was like, I know they got red roosters, they got black chickens now, but okay, chicken black. Okay. What do you think? Is it good? Let me wait, maybe when I come back out, I'll give it a try. Chicken black. Okay. Thank you so much. Here we go. It is a little bit basic, but I'm still pretty full from the little stromboli chicken bake thing I had earlier. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, I didn't want to be adventurous and try the chicken feet or the chicken head, so I called it safe and went with pork. It's good. Not crazy. The barbecue flavor is good, but the chicken's okay. Sauce is good though. I had to go so far. I didn't realize I think I went the wrong way. I went down and I was turning and I couldn't find one, but eventually I found one. All right, that's us back at the spot. Pretty early by our standards. About just a little after. It's actually 11:11 right now. But yeah, normally these last few nights that I've been out here, this is about the time when I go out to go hit the bars. But last spot I went to, it was okay. It wasn't bad or anything, but I couldn't record when I went in there. That's why there's no real footage of it. I did some karaoke, other people singing. It was alright, but they didn't have no liquor or booze. I had to go and buy some, bring it back, and it was okay. It wasn't nothing wrong with it. I liked it. It was just like limited speaking for me to people. They couldn't understand me so much. I couldn't understand them so much. But I was in there for about an hour or two, roughly, and I decided I don't think I'm gonna go out again tonight. Got a long. Hope you guys are alright, but I figured, yeah, no, I'd just come back, call it early. I gotta pack up my stuff, get out of here, and then I don't want to be hungover and super tired all day. But back at the spot, we'll give you one last final night view. We'll get the outside patio for it, but one last view. It's not good that I dropped you guys there a couple seconds ago, but it's better I did it right there than out there dropping y'all. Especially if y'all got a like a SeaWorld kind of deal, you know, like an Aqualand something. That's probably what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave my bags and all that downstairs. They said I could do that with them, even though it's not a hotel, it's more of an apartment, staying at an Airbnb. But that's cool. And yeah, they got like a water park kind of deal there. I would have liked to have done that. I used to be a lifeguard at a water park, but I got my flight later tomorrow. I don't want to be like all chafed up and smell like chlorine and have to change and all that. So I'll just go and check out like the aquarium side of things. But I guess we'll both do that.